Want to enjoy tax-free retirement withdrawals instead of taxable ones? If a Roth conversion sounds appealing but the process seems daunting, you're not alone. Today, we're converting a traditional IRA to a Roth IRA at Fidelity. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. A Roth conversion moves money from a pre-tax traditional IRA to an after-tax Roth IRA. You pay income tax on the converted amount now, but withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. Step 1. Open a Roth IRA if you don't have one. You'll need a Roth IRA account at Fidelity to receive the converted funds. If you don't have one, open it first using the process we covered earlier. Step 2. Initiate the conversion. In your Fidelity account, find Transfer or Retirement Contributions and Distributions. Select Convert to Roth IRA. Choose your traditional IRA as the source and your Roth IRA as the destination, then enter the amount. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: consider the tax impact before you convert. The amount you convert is added to your taxable income for the year. A large conversion could push you into a higher tax bracket. It's often wise to consult with a tax advisor or use Fidelity's tools to estimate the tax cost before proceeding. So, just like that, you can strategically shift your retirement savings to a tax-free future. A well-planned Roth conversion goes a long way in managing your lifetime tax burden. Now I'm curious, have you done a Roth conversion before? Did you do a full conversion or a partial one? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.